Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend with your Chase credit card. First, open the Chase mobile app or visit the Chase website. Then, log in with your Chase account credentials. Next, select your Chase credit card like Sapphire or Freedom. Now, scroll down and tap Refer Friends or Refer a Friend. After that, tap on the Invite Friends to generate your referral link. Then, choose how you want to share it, like text, email, or social media. Then, send the unique referral link to your friend. Remind them to apply using your link only. Then, wait for your friend's application approval by Chase. Once approved, Chase will credit your referral bonus. Then, track your referral status under the same Refer Friends section. Finally, repeat the process for more friends within the yearly referral limit. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.